Good morning, everyone. Well, today does look a little bit warmer than yesterday. We're trying to warm up in Northwest Indiana, but tomorrow another cold front comes in, so we're going to be cooling back down. And guess what? Another chance of snow to talk about as well. But today, completely dry. Now, mostly cloudy this morning, but I think eventually skies are going to become mostly sunny this afternoon. So most of the day, partly cloudy skies. Will probably take a little bit longer for the clouds to break up areas to the south and east. So if you're in Kentland, Rensselaer, probably will take a little bit longer to get those mostly sunny skies, but I do think it is coming. Now, right next to the lake, there could be some, particularly in LaPorte County around Michigan City. It looks like they get stuck in the low 40s. I do think that's going to be the minority of us. Most of us are going to reach the upper 40s, and I can't rule out the most southern part of the area, maybe some low 50s. These temperatures warmer than yesterday, but still below normal. Normal high temperatures are in the mid 50s this time of year, so a little bit below normal, but reasonable. And fortunately, not much wind today. We'll just call it a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour, and we'll continue to see a light breeze tonight. Those winds hanging out 10, 15 miles per hour. Mostly clear skies early, then becoming partly cloudy late with low temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Now, it looks like the morning commute is going to be dry tomorrow. The earliest some stray rain showers could start to pop up looks like 9 a.m. So just as folks like getting to work, it looks like is when the first few stray rain showers will start to pop up. But the best chance of precipitation is going to be along the cold front itself. Because we're talking about a cold front, we also got to keep an eye on temperatures. I do think the warmest temperatures are going to be in the early morning tomorrow. So at 9 a.m., notice upper 30s, low 40s. And already by 9 a.m., as this rain chance begins, it'll be getting breezy. But when the cold front is right over us, a couple things. We're talking about scattered activity and windy conditions. Wind gusts getting up to around 30 miles per hour. And look at the temperatures coming down. And yes, though activity will start as rain, it does look like for a brief period, we're talking about scattered snow showers in most of the region. Now, it may not happen in the most southern part of the region. It may just stay all rain, where temperatures aren't going to come down as much. But notice at noon, we're talking about low to mid 30s, and that's cold enough for snow. So I do have to mention for lunchtime tomorrow, decent chance. So I think there'll be some gaps. Looks like it is more likely that you'll be seeing some snow than missing out, but it's just not going to last for long. So the peak on the activity around noon, and then already this is a fast-moving cold front. It looks like it's going to be clear of us by 3 o'clock, so the chance for all precipitation coming to an end. And again, the period where it's going to be windy too is just along the cold front. The winds will start decreasing behind the front, but still at 3 o'clock it's going to be breezy. Now, as far as how much snow, as I mentioned, in the most southern part of the area, some just missing out. At the most, we're talking about 1/4 of an inch in a few spots. Most of us, though, just a dusting or 1/10 of an inch. And look at temperatures at 3 o'clock. Some low 30s showing up. I think most mid to upper 30s. But because it's going to be breezy, look what it's going to be feeling like 3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. Feeling like the 20s in most locations at the warmest. 30 degrees is what the wind chill is going to be tomorrow afternoon. So definitely not feeling like spring just yet.